Good morning and welcome to our Are You OK Day Assembly. What a fantastic week it has been in spreading awareness of the importance through various activities for students to work together in.
We also acknowledge the Ghana people as the custodians of the Adelaide region, and their culture and heritage beliefs are still as important to the living Ghana people today.
That video clip is indeed encouraging, and we hope you have learned how to create a space for meaningful conversations with your peers and ask them how they are feeling.
Parafield Gardens High School is home to many students, and the SRC team would like to ensure that everyone in the school community has a clear and comprehensive understanding of our core values.
To make our school values more impactful, we have used the looks like, feels like, and sounds like framework to clearly illustrate how these values are experienced and expressed in our community.
Thank you, Isabella and Quinny, for sharing this information. We would like to extend our thanks to the whole SRC team.
Wear It Purple strives to foster supportive, safe, and empowering and inclusive environments for rainbow young people. Bullying is still a big problem, and Wear It Purple creates awareness and encourages inclusion for all people.
We would like to ask every student at Parafield Gardens High School to respect that every young person is unique. Be kind, be an upstander. If you see someone in trouble, and treat others how you would like to be treated.
Thanks Harleen, Lee, and Anthony for sharing information about the Wear It Purple Day.
We had a cookie stand with 300 freshly iced cookies made by the SRC team that morning, and students loved them. Plus, the SRC team served iced chocolate and strawberry milk outside the Performing Arts building, which was a nice treat. We also had a photo booth to capture the fun moments of the day, and it was a big hit with everyone.
On top of all these great treats, we also had a gratitude wall where we could write messages of encouragement for our friends on Are You OK Day.
As it is near the end of term 3, the community of Parafield Gardens High School have achieved and experienced so much throughout this term.
Now, before we go, let's take a few minutes to rewind and take a look back on everything we have done so far and be proud of our accomplishments in our community.